The Java Lab experiment number 13B. Write a Java program to demonstrate the use of extending interfaces. Last experiment I told how to implement an interface. Now in this experiment, first I have created a one interface. Using that interface, I have created another interface. That means I create a new interface by extending the old interface. Now this program will demo the extension of a interface here. First I will create a one interface called as item constant. In that item constant I put some data here, data member like code and name. Both are static final, which is optional here. Next I have initialized with code with 3117 and name with the fan. You can give any value. It's just a demo purpose, so you can give any value here. Using that item constant interface, I have created one more interface called as item. This item extends the item constant here. The item contains not only this method display, but here it also contains code and name, as well as it will extend it here. So if I create a class that use item as interface, it contains all the three members here. So that will be displayed in the program here. So first I have created here one class called as item class. This item class implements item interface. This item interface means it contains all the three properties. That is nothing but code, name, as well as display. But this display is a declaration part. I have to write a code for this display. So I have put that code in the item class. So I have written the display here. This is method overriding. Now I will write the code here, which will display the code as well as name. This is display method. Just display the item code and item name. Once I created this item class, I have to test it whether this class is properly created or not. So that can be done by one more class called as interface extend test. In interface extend test, I have created here one main method. In main method, first I created a one object of item class. Using this class, I have created a one object IC. Then I call a method called as display. Whenever it's a display, it should display the code as well as name here. One important property which is already mentioned in the previous lab experiments, I want to repeat it again. Now see, in this experiment, I have created two interfaces and two classes. For one class, I have to mention a keyword called as public. All the other interfaces as well as classes are just simple one. I don't need any access specifier here. But one class I have to write public, that is nothing but the class which contain main method. Otherwise, sometimes your compiler give you error message. And the file name should be same as interface extend test because it contains public specifier. The class which contains public specifier, the same name should be given to the file name. Next, I have to run this program. I will show the demo step-by-step process. Okay, first, I will put some breakpoint here. I have to start the debugger. Now, first, I will create a one class here. Okay. Now, I am calling a method display. Now, here the display method is calling and I display the output here. First, it will display the item code, that is 3117, which is taken from the item. This code is actually taken from the item constant. Okay, 3117 will be displayed here. Next, here I have to display one more time the name, that is nothing but fan. This program show you how to extend an interface.